Hello, my name is Ivan Fernandez. I'm giving a rundown of my assignment 6 project. This is the README, and here I've written what I've added, which .proto files I decided to implement, and I went with calc, and this is the Java file with my implementation on it, calc IMPL, and then I went with story IMPL, and then this is the task 2 Java implementation that I created, my original implementation, which is return smallest or largest, and what it simply does is returns either the smallest or the largest of a list of values that the user inputs. And yeah, I'll go ahead and get started. And first I will run the auto option to show the tests that I created. Here I'm running the node, and I will start my client with pauto equals 1 to show the tests that I created, specifically testing add, subtract, multiply, divide, and the story write and read, and then return small or large, my original Java file. So here we can see story being tested initially. It's asking to read first, and since there's nothing that has been added, it says it returns reading story. There's no sentences that have been added yet. And then here I'm writing first sentence to the story, and then I'm adding another sentence, and it's returning them. And here's another sentence that I added. And now I'm testing the addition function. It returns successfully, and then subtract, and it returns correctly and successfully. Now multiply, divide, and then my original return smallest, which it does successfully, and then return largest, which it does successfully. 18 was the largest. And now I'm just gonna show without the pauto option, and it'll select it'll show, display all of the services available. And I will try the read first. And it actually shows what was stored in there from the testing. I will write. And it returns the entire story afterwards. Now I will do add. Oops. Yeah, I shouldn't have typed in add. Meant to type in 3. And returns the addition. Now subtraction. And there's the subtraction. And now we will multiply. And there's the value that is returned from that. And now we will divide. And that should be 1, and it is successful. Now I will test my original items that I added. We will return the smallest value of these numbers here. And yep, that is true. And now the largest. And here, this is true as well. And that's it. Thank you.